Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back, and today I have a loose deep wave install for y'all. I know we're looking for a bomb loose wave unit. I feel like a lot of my loose wave units have been really nice, but this one might just take the cake, okay y'all? Wigginshair sent me a 26-inch loose deep wave unit. It's a 13x4. I believe it's like 200 density, but all the deets will be listed in the description box below. I did have to pre-plug. I had to bleach the knots, and I also use some foundation powder so we can just go ahead and get into this melt, okay? Because the hair is so pretty, but I had to like revamp it because I did do all the extraness so it can look super natural when I lay this down. So I cut the ear tabs off, and we're just going to get the hair out the face so we can work on removing this extra lace. And I had all of this extra hair, so I'm going to be cutting that off as well. Take that cotton round and just remove all that makeup around the perimeter. I had a lunch date this day, and I was like, I'm busting this wig down for it, okay? Because I really wanted to wear this unit out because I knew for a fact it was going to give me life. So I used my Got To Be Glue hairspray, and they provide this elastic band in your box so you can have that wet lace illusion. And while that sits, I'm going to detangle my hair just by using water. And I just wanted to show you how easy it was for me to detangle this hair with my fingers. But we are going to go in with a little comb action just to make sure everything is detangled even all the way around. But this is just with water for right now. The hair is super soft, you guys, and it's so easy to manage. So I'm just removing the extra lace now, and this lace is melted, you guys. But y'all know as soon as you remove this part, you're going to have to lay it down again so those edges can melt all the way down. But it was so nice and satisfying to see how nice this lace looked on this unit. So I definitely have to give them their points for this HD quality lace. All right, y'all, so while this elastic band sits again, I just wanted to kind of like have the hair going in the direction where I wanted it to go before I take it off again. And I wanted to stand up for you guys so you guys can see the length, because this hair is just bomb, y'all. The 26-inch is giving very much so 26-inch. And I'm going to remove the lace so I can put this conditioner on the hair, and I'm going to basically mix it up with some water just so it doesn't weigh the hair down, because it really isn't necessary. I just love how this conditioner smells, and I also want my waves to pop a little bit more, so this is going to help that. And this is the Millie Honey Passion Fruit conditioner. I'm not sure if it's called that, but I will link it in the description box below. It smells so freaking good, and I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I'm using that for the hair and then just scrunching it up, and we're gonna let this air dry, and I'm going to just, you know, play with the top part and get it prepared for the style that I'm going to rock for the day. I put it to the side, like, what am I missing? I hit it from the side on one of my visits. All right, y'all, so now that we got the hair smelling good, looking good, I'm just gonna flatten the top part out using my hot comb. and I took my time with this, but I will have to take away some density in a minute, so I'm gonna do that in a second. But let's talk about these baby hairs, you guys. I was like, I know for a fact I want baby hairs today, and I usually don't say that, but I definitely wanted some. So they were very obnoxious. When I was looking back at the footage, I was like, oh my goodness. But that's what we went for the day. I'm not mad at the end result because how I, you know, styled the hair with the 2 braids, it was cute. But I definitely could have toned them down again. I could have toned them down a little bit more. But hey, you know, it's not every day I do baby hair. So we was going big or go home this day. I'm gagging over the wave pattern. I'm not gonna lie, for whatever reason, while I was installing this hair, I was thinking that it was curly hair. I don't know, but I'm obsessed. I didn't want any like heavy products to weigh the hair down. So the product that I did use was water and a little bit of conditioner towards the end, so I can have this hair a little bit more tame. But I'm not mad at it. I really do love the wave pattern. I think it's really pretty, and it's super, super full and big and just beautiful. It smells good now. Since I put this Millie in, I'm like obsessed with the smell. I love this conditioner. But I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I had so much fun installing this hair with you guys. I will link all the information to Wiggins hair down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon.
Girls just wanna have